Hello, I've got this here new Apple Series 11 watch that I want to unbox for you guys and just show you what it looks like. Check it out. This is the 46 millimeter case size. This is the jet black aluminum finish too. Jet black has been around for a while. This is not the new case color. The new aluminum case color this series is space gray, which really we've seen space gray so much on other models. I just didn't see a need to get space gray. I do wish they had other colors like red, blue, orange, whatever, green. I wish they had those unique colors, but again, they're not doing it. So let's unbox this and see kind of what it looks like, check it out. Okay, so it's the same common box here, but let me show you kind of the details on this box here. So it shows you right here. This is Veiled Gray Nike Sport Band. I got small size, 46 millimeter case size. Of course, you do need iOS 26 to set this up. So make sure you update your iPhone if you haven't done that yet. That's something I didn't want to do, but I had to do it. So to set this watch up, it shows jet black up here. And that's it. So let's unbox this thing and see what it looks like, okay? So just these tabs. Okay. Okay, so this is the watch band. Kind of unique. I mean, I wasn't thrilled about this either, but it was the closest to what I have. I have this here one, which I've done videos about. This is a Series 6 on me, and it's the 44 millimeter, which was the largest you could get back then for case size. Okay, here's the actual watch itself. We'll pull this apart, and this here. And let's see here what this thing looks like. Ooh, black. I guess I'm gonna have to just rip her apart here. It will probably just slide out, but you kind of gotta rip it apart. Oh, look at that. It's already turned on. So this is the jet black. You see, glossy all around it, glossy. Of course it will show fingerprints and stuff, but I mean, this was my best option, I thought, of everything. Yeah, wow, look at that. Now this is an aluminum body, and this is glossy. So how is this done? It's probably painted, I'm guessing. Will it chip and will it show marks like that? It could. I don't know. I don't know how they do these. But yeah, and so now it's ready to set up there. I'm not going to go through the setup process and stuff, but just showing you the unboxing. Okay, so there's the watch. I want to show you too what's in here. I kind of skipped this part. So this is your charging cable. So just know that that's included. I will take this out. I will take this out. You undo that. And there it is. So see, this is the charging cable. Kind of a new style. USB-C port now. Whoops. And of course now the others used to be just white. This is like an aluminum silver thing there. But I'm tearing up the package good. Yeah. Can I I do this one-handed? That's the question. There we go. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Charger. Yep. So that's that. Let's just look at the case here while we're doing this. Let's see here. Oh, it's got the tab down here too. About all the Apple products now have this same tab. So here it is. Wow. Okay, I kind of like this. I was thinking it was more of a white, but it's like a light gray or a light blue color. Wow. Okay. Look at that. That is kind of cool. Nike watch. You got the Nike Run symbol there. Wow. Okay. That's cool. All right. I'm excited on that. All right. So I'm going to tell you guys just some other common benefits of this over a Series 10, because there's not a lot of a difference. I mean, you might be fine doing a Series 10. So these here are, if you do the cellular model, they are 5G capable now. So that's a nice advantage, I guess. I mean, how much can you do on here that's 5G speeds? You know, that's kind of my thought on it. Now, this has a 24-hour battery life on average versus 18-hour on the Series 10. So that's another nice benefit if it's true. We know how these estimates go. Okay, so another thing is this watch can fast charge. After 15 minutes of charging fast, it can give you about 8 hours of use, they say. So that's nice too. It weighs slightly more than a Series 10, just slightly, not much at all. Now the glass is nice because it's more scratch resistant, they say. Ion X glass with aluminum case, and then they've got on the titanium cases, the upgraded, more expensive models, it's a sapphire crystal display, but they're all more scratch resistant. They say 2 times more scratch resistant than the 10 series. So that's nice too. I mean, my current one is really scratched up. So we'll see how this goes. But yeah, let me know if you got any questions. I'm excited still. I'm not so excited. The only reason I'm really upgrading is mine's a Series 6 and that's 5 years old. And the battery's probably going to go sometime. So might as well do it while it's working. So get the new one set up. Okay, like this video if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos like this. Thanks for watching.